Tervetuloa and welcome to Learn Finnish with me, where we learn Finnish in fun and easy way. In Finnish, when you want to say that something belongs to someone, you use possessive form. This form tells you who owns or has something. They are often added the nouns and the adjective to show possession. Let's start with the most basic one. Minulla on, I have. Sinulla on, you have. Hänellä on, he or she has. Meillä on, we have. Teillä on, you all have. Heillä on, they have. Now, let's see this in action with some more examples. Minulla on koira. I have a dog. Sinulla on auto. You have a car. Hänellä on kirja. He or she has a book. Meillä on talo. We have a house. Teillä on pyörä. You all have a bike. Heillä on koira. They have a dog. But what if you want to say we don't have something? In Finnish, we use the negative possessive form to express that something does not belong to someone. For example, minulla on koira. The negative possessive form is minulla ei ole koiraa. Sinulla on auto. The negative possessive form is sinulla ei ole autoa. Hänellä on kirja. The negative possessive form is hänellä ei ole kirjaa. Meillä on talo. The negative possessive form is meillä ei ole taloa. Teillä on pyörä. The negative possessive form is teillä ei ole pyörää. Heillä on koira. The negative possessive form is heillä ei ole koiraa. Now let's learn how to turn this sentence into question. In Finnish, the easiest way to make a question is by changing the word order or adding a special word like onko. For examples, if I want to say, do I have a dog? Onko minulla koira? Or if you want to ask, do you have a car? Onko sinulla auto? Or if you want to say, does he or she have a book? Onko hänellä kirja? Or if you want to say, do we have a house? Onko meillä talo? Or if you want to say, do you have a bike? Onko teillä pyörä? Or if you want to say, do they have a dog? Onko heillä koira? Okay, that's all for today's lesson on Finnish possessive form. I hope this helped you start using possessive form in your daily conversation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more Finnish language lesson, and see you in the next video. Heippa!